I'm gonna show y'all what happens when your car say fuck you. So look at my car. I'm about to turn this bitch on, you know. Look at that. Oh, error airbag. Well, that's fantastic. What else we got in this bitch? Probably got something to do with the damn battery. Oh, we got flashing the display cluster of death. Let's crank it up. Oh man, it's having a harder time starting in my relationships. This is unfortunate, but today there's a lesson. Let me try one more time. Yep, not gonna fuck anything up. I'm gonna take my black ass in to the house and chill, cause that's a sign. God telling me to stay my ass at home, and I'm gonna take it as such. I mean, I got fresh to death though. Your boy was clean, car was clean, I'm clean, but that battery said fuck y'all, I'm out. But it's alright though. I'm gonna get this shit fixed tomorrow. We gonna make it happen.